What's up? It's your boy Kaloy and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi guys, it's me again. I'm back and we are going to do a mukbang again. For this mukbang, we are going to do a seafood mukbang here at the Boil Restaurant located in Alriga. If you know the old Tipanan, ito na po yung pumalit sa Tipanan. So, I'm just waiting for the food and we will start.
A few moments later.
Boom! Ayan, so ito na yung food and I think it's good for 1 or 2 persons, but I will finish all of this. So let's eat!
2,000 years later.
Sarap. Mesu. Alright. Oh, yun. So, tapos na ako. Here's to conclude my video for today. And the food was great. It's nice. So, appetizing. Nakabusog siya. So, yun guys. Kung gusto nyo i-visit ito sa located ulit siya sa Alayga. Kung alam niyo yung Tipanan, ito yung dating Tipanan. So, pinalitan na siya ng The Boil Seafood Restaurant. So, itong in-order ko is worth 70 dirhams. So, it's good for 2, but I already finished it. So, yun. So, unlimited rice siya. Mamimili ka ng sauce kung anong gusto mong sauce sa seafood mo. Ayun. So, thank you and see you again next time. Masalam. Bye.